Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine multiple columns in Excel separated by comma. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here some data. Now we want to combine these two columns separated by comma. At first, go to another cell, then write on your keyboard is equal to, then select the first column or the first text cell, then write and write the inverted comma, then write comma, then again write inverted comma and again write and, then select your second cell, then press enter. We can see we combine the multiple cells separated by comma easily. You can adjust the cell, double click on this column. We can see adjust this cell. Now we want to make the all data same, select this plus icon and make this auto sum. We can see we combine multiple columns in Excel by separated by comma easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.